So there's like 5 levels remaining. I think I can do this in under 1 hour. Go down, Ratchet. Oh, you can't go down this one. Oh. Alright. Maximilian. Oh. All of it. Okay. I am lost. I need to use the jammer. How do I use the jammer? Am I supposed to go this way? I don't even know. Am I supposed to use the jammer? What's the button to change weapons? I don't know. Oh crap, no, what the hell am I doing? I kinda made the things go bigger. Oh, okay, here's the button to change weapons. Circuit jammer. Okay, so I know it's the slash button. Okay, so Lancer is level 3. When did it upgrade? And seriously, you'll make me come up here. Oh crap, that didn't kill him. I was certain it would kill him with those bullets. I thought it was enough. Nothing stands in my way. Wait. No, seriously. You're freaking serious. I think I didn't complete the level. Aw, man. Oh, that's stupid. As hell. I'm trying to be fast and this is what I get. Hardcore. Okay, let's use some mad skills to go fast through this shit. Whoa. Damn it! Ugh. I'm still wondering, why am I playing a cell phone game? Ratchet is faster than the bullets he's shooting. Ah, shoot! Change weapons. Okay, so far so good, I guess. Seriously. How am I supposed to go down here? Okay, that worked. Out of my way. I'm going to assume I need to go this route. Oh, there's a bolt here. But this isn't what I wanted. I want to complete the level, not stay here dancing around all night. What the hell am I doing then? Maybe I need to go that way, I don't know. I thought this game was really straightforward. Doesn't seem like it as of now. I hate games that make me wander around. Jump. Well, Ratchet, you're so slow. Oh, shoot. Wasn't I here before? And there goes Facebook again. I'm almost sure I was here before. I think the game is making me backtrack or something. Maybe I need to destroy. Come here. I don't know, I'm pretty lost as of now. I've been here, that bolt is turned on. Shit, man. Yeah, I've been here, what the hell? Ah, seriously? These things respawn, so I don't even know if I've destroyed that one or not. Come on, am I not supposed to go that way? I hate my life. What must I do then? Oh wait. Maybe I've only noticed this thing right now. Maybe this is the right way to go. Yeah, oh shit, I feel so stupid. Sometimes I just want to cry, lay in bed and cry all night long because of my stupidness. Suicide ahoy. What's that gold thing? Okay, I guess that's not where I must go. I need to keep on going this way. Why is it saying down? Oh. Wow. Not subtle at all. Payola. Oh, so we need to bribe. Okay, I had read bribe before, but I was kind of confused. Oh, so that's why this guy is needed. Stupid asshole. Okay, I don't know. I'm kinda liking this game. It's growing on me. So many feels towards this Ratchet Clank game in particular. Let me just... I'm going to get that bolt. Because I can, I'm going to get it. That is, if I can even reach... Who's talking with me? Who's talking with me on Facebook? I think I know who it is, but... I seriously can't now. I'm recording, can't you see? No, you can't, but... I don't know. I guess that's my friend, Palamification, talking with me. I don't know. Just a wild guess. I don't know why the hell these chicken bots are here. Bam! Right in your head, nigga. I'm almost at the end of the game. Don't stop me now. Okay, I don't think that's the way to go, so... Screw that. Open Sesame. Here's an info link. Okay. Okie dokie. Seems about right. I think we're almost at the end of the game. I'm going to guess the last level that I'm missing is only the final boss. Not really sure, but I'm going to guess. I think this game has like a challenge mode actually, which I'll not be doing. Oh, it's open. Great. 13. Come on, dude. This is the same exact level as one of the first ones we were, isn't it? Wait, it's not this way. I'm going to cry. Well, I guess I should have guessed. If that thing's open, it shouldn't be the way I have to go. Come on, go up. I don't have all day. Shit, man. I just said I don't have all day. Come on, shouldn't this be the way to go? I mean, I've used that grapple thing. Maybe I missed something earlier in the level. Let me go out and back in. Maybe it's this way. Oh no, wait. Maybe it's down. Hardcore. Feels so badass right now. Okay. Oh, I don't know how I'm alive. Whoa, badass. I think this might be the way to go. I think. cool. Thought I had killed him, but I didn't. Okay, it's the end of this level. Okay.